Alright campers, so this is going to be my last product review before I take off. It is Tuesday morning, I don't know, 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'm leaving this coming Monday, so what have I got? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I got 5 days left. I'm going to be heading out. Anyway, what I'm going to review today and set up for you is the Rightline Truck Tent. See that? I bought this a little while back, got home, got overly excited, got it out of the box, put it all on the truck. It all goes on nice, but at that time I had my crossbed toolbox on there and it doesn't fit very well with that. I almost actually tore the tent. So if you get one of these, don't try to fake it over your toolbox. Get the toolbox out, do it the right way, which is what I'm going to do today. So let's get this thing open and take a look and see what's in here. Nice bag, good size. I mean, throw that in your toolbox, your camp box. It's not too bad. It's pretty lightweight. I don't know if it's got, what does this thing weigh? Maybe I ought to give the full review, huh? Tells you all the different sizes it fits. These come in a couple of, well, they come in about 6 different sizes. I've got the full-size standard 6.5 foot bed, which is what I've got. So there's that. Actually, don't know. Made from water-resistant polyester fabric. Floorless design, because you use the bed of the truck for your floor. Yeah, got the protective strapping, won't damage the truck finish. Ain't too worried about that here. Color-coded poles and pole pockets. That's nice. Rainfly included. 2 windows and 1 door. All truck tents sleep 2 adults. Depending on how you stack them. Anyway, let's get this out. I was looking for a weight. Doesn't seem to have a weight. Instructions are actually attached right to the bag. In case you forgot how you put it up last night. Let's get this out. Alright, nicely tied up. Save those, put it back together right. So get this stuff out of my way. Pull this out. Oh yeah, it comes with a rainfly. I looked at a number of these and you had to order the rainfly separate. This one's pretty complete. So actually really happy about that. Poles. So you've got the orange tape on some of these. I don't need all of these in my hand. Kind of a little bit older style of the poles. They're a heavier fiberglass, but again, this isn't necessarily meant to be a backpacking tent, so it's not ultralight. And the poles are only marked on one end, which is fine. You know, if you don't see a color on one end, look at the other end, no big deal. Actually, this one isn't marked at all. Oh no, I'm confused, but it's definitely shorter. So there we have it. There's only 3 poles. 2 of them got orange on them. The shorter one has nothing on it. And let's get this thing opened up. So what you want to find is the door end of it, which so happens to be this end of it. a lot easier to start with it all lifted up. There we go. Trying to get that aligned. Doors down at this end. Is that? No. Okay, so this is the door. Now nothing to it. Doors at this end. Alright, so I'm going to go start at that corner and start putting it up on the Seems to want to push off the side of the truck. I'm not really sure I like that. Maybe I need to get in here. Never did get up inside of it when I set it up last time. So let's see what we got. Oh, wait. Here's our problem. Here's as though we've got a cross strap here. There we go. Well, it's got to all go together. So let me get these straps lined up here. Alright, open her up. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm doing that wrong. Can you see in there? So there's these straps that are on the inside. I've got these hooks down here. I think I'm going to put them down to that rather than tying them together. This is, I think, how they're supposed to go. So, let's see if I can get this worked out right. Done. That's too tight. There we go. I'll get the camera over here in just a minute. That's kind of nice. I don't like the idea that those are down in those holes. All right, let's take a look at the inside of this thing. All right, so inside we've got your flapping. You might have that strap a little bit tight there, but you get some little gear pockets. Some more instructions. I guess you wanted to get really detailed, you could put some snaps on the sides of these flaps and mount them to the rail of your bed. But I don't think I'm going to worry about that. Got a little hook up here in the middle to hang your lantern or flashlight or something on. But otherwise, pretty cool. I think I need to figure this out. It looks like the whole thing needs to shift back about 3 inches. I ain't gonna mess with that right now. Rainfly. So I'm not gonna put that on right now. Everybody's seen a rainfly. Anyway, pretty impressed with this. This is gonna serve me very, very well. Mowgli and I are gonna be taking off and going to a lot of different places, and we can just set up and have our tent if it's bad out. Otherwise we'll just sleep in the bed of the truck. So I'm going to take the camera off the stand and do a little walk around and show you the whole thing up close. Hang on one second. All right, so I think these straps are just a little bit tight. We can pick that up. I think I want to try to figure out how to move this whole thing back. So the stake holes are there. Oh yeah, I got to put these hooks on. That'll help it. See, that one's dropped down in the stake hole there. I don't much care for that. It'd be nice if there was some way to fasten this area, the flap inside, if you could just fasten it right to the fasten it right to the rail of the truck. Let's go inside and take a look at all of that. See, this just sits on here. You got these straps. Maybe I need to move these straps out this way or something. I don't know. Works. I like it. Pretty simple. As you can see, one person can set it up in just a couple of minutes. Oh yeah, There's my new BFGs. Woohoo! And there's no strap. There's no way to strap the inside of this at the middle. Kind of help hold that down. Maybe I need to get a hold of these guys. Anyway, that's it. That's the Rightline Truck Bed Tent. I think if I was hiking through the woods and I came up on this, I go, man, that's a smart son of a bitch right there. That's nice. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed watching me put this up, and you can stay tuned for the coming adventures. Like I said, I'm leaving this coming Monday. 5 days? I don't know. Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? Today might be Wednesday. Yeah. But I know what day I'm leaving. So stay tuned. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down there. Give my videos a thumbs up. And leave comments. Tell me if you like what you see, if you don't like what you see. Tell me what's on your mind. Like I've said before, if I'm in an area that you're interested in, send me a message. Post on the video of the area that I'm in and tell me if there's something particular you'd like me to go and check out for you. And I'll get a video on here and you can see what it is you're looking for as well. So the plan at the moment is I leave here on Monday, I go over to Nevada for a couple of weeks, and then I'm headed north, be up in Stanley, Idaho for the whole summer into the fall. Hopefully going to get a little upland game bird hunting in this year.